All right, we're out here at the Flip Project. My man Adam, the most exceptional dude. AC electrical.
So the AC lines, we had to pump all the Freon out. That he had opened the lines. We had to cut the copper lines outside to lift the AC unit up like you wanted. So we put both concrete pads underneath. But the copper drain line and the copper Freon line, only one of them was insulated. So both of them have to be insulated. So now all three are insulated all the way through.
Okay.
We had to redo all of that.
Okay.
You know, so that everything can pass inspection. So that little piece right there just needs to be taped up, little stuff like that.
Okay.
There was no mastic seal, the duct seal. All they did was duct seal here at the plenum, just this one box. So we had to go and duct seal every single connection. And he had the double zip tie, so we had to take the zip tie off. You can't have double zip tie. So we had to tape every single connection and mastic everything. I'm gonna cut and fit this in the ceiling. And I'm gonna take this line right there.
Where's that fucking circle come from?
I don't know. I'm gonna take that line right there and tie it into this box. And we have to cut the ceiling in here to add the bathroom. So the master bathroom and this line will go to this mixing box.
Okay.
And then that mixing box I'll tie into the plenum because like we said, we're not replacing that whole box, man. That'll cost you more time and money.
Okay.
And so that's all that's left to do is this for in here. So that this here, the only problem is this ceiling in here. You see somebody cut that right there?
Yeah.
We have to do the same thing. We have to cut this open to get the fart fan and the AC vent through.
Okay.
So that right here is left to be done. So I'm gonna knock that out. That shouldn't take long inspection. You see the black duct strap? None of the duct was strapped. So we had to throw those black duct straps up.
All right.
And then this line we talked about, I couldn't remember since it was over here before you built the pantry, right? So I'm gonna take it out of the hallway and move it right here.
Okay.
That way it's blowing on your heat source, which is the stove.
Right.
So that way the AC vent is blowing in the kitchen, right?
Okay, great.
And then the dryer vent, this wall was real funky, but I made it work. It looked like that's where it was, but then someone cut that one. And so it's a little funky, but I should be able to get it, the vent right there.
Okay.
Like we had talked about.
Yeah.
So that's the dryer vent. That's almost done. So there's not a whole lot. And then we added the electrical or the low voltage